Welcome friends. Asli Vanya welcomes you once again. Today we have brought you the IPO review of Rail Vikas Nigam Ltd. The IPO is open on last Friday. So in this presentation we'll discuss like whether to apply in this IPO or not to apply. Now our standard disclaimer, I am not a SEBI registered analyst. Please consult SEBI registered analyst before investing in this stock. We will not accept any liability due to your investment in this stock. Rail Vikas Nigam Limited. The company was set up by Government of India. It is a Mini Ratna company and it was set up in year 2003 as a project executing agency on behalf of Ministry of Railways. So basically, railways have so much work, so they are giving it to Rail Vikas Nigam Limited for execution. So basically, Rail Vikas Nigam Limited is in the business of executing railway projects like new setting up of new lines, doubling the lines, gauge conversion, railway electrification. Like as we know that a lot of railways is not electrified, so it is getting electrified at a very high pace. Then new metro projects which are coming up in new cities. Then workshop, major bridges, construction of cable stayed bridges, and institutional buildings like required for railways. So basically if you see that they are working for the railway and elite services, so based on the type of work they do. So since inception in 2003, Ministry of Railways has transferred around 179 projects to Rail Vikas Nigam Limited, of which 174 was sanctioned for execution, and out of that they have completed 72 projects totaling around 20,000 crores. And the most important thing, if you see, the balance order book is around 77,000 crores. So, like whatever work they have done in last 15 plus years, that is 20,000 crores, and the order book which they have is around 77,000 crores. So, they can grow a lot more as what we have seen in the past. So IPO open date was 29th of March. The IPO close date is 3rd of April. Face value of share is 10. The lot size, minimum lot size and minimum order quantity is 780 shares. The issue price band is 17 to 19 rupees per share. Retail will get a discount of half rupee per share. The minimum investment comes at around rupees 14,820 and it will be listed at both BSE and NSE. The equity capital basically in this company 100% was held by Government of India. So Government of India is disinvesting their share. It is around 12%. So basically nothing is going to the company. So the issue size is around 25.34 crore shares. So equity capital remains unchanged. It is only that government is selling their share to the new shareholders. So objects of the issue is, as I have explained, that government is selling disinvest because of disinvestment to the other shareholders. So it is around 25.28 crore shares to other shareholders, and for the company employees, they have kept around 6.57 lakh equity shares. Now, revenue of the company, if you see the revenue of the company, like from 2015, it was 3,100 crores. Now, like for last year, it has reached around 7,600 crores. So it is two and a half times almost. And similarly, the profit has and the EPS, if you see, has gone from 1.6 rupees to 2.73 rupees. Now coming on the cash flow, if you see that company is generating good amount of positive cash flow from operating activities, but due to order size going up, the company requires a lot of money in working capital. That is why you see that there is a net decrease in the cash. So that is why the cash flow is negative. So now our view, the positives like the Rail Vikas Nigam Limited has posted good growth in top line, that like for last 3 years they are growing at CAGR of 33%, and bottom line is growing at CAGR of 19% for last 4 years. The current order book is around 70,000 crores, which gives good visibility. Company gives fee based consultancy for development of railway works, which is quite good. And the company has already mentioned that they have a dividend policy and they are consistently paying dividend to the government. The current dividend yield is around 4.2%, which was as per dividend given in year 2018. The negative which I could think of is this is a government company, and generally in government company the performance is a lot more dependent on government directors because government has a lot of interference in the working of the company. Now, competitors like Rail Vikas Nigam Limited has mentioned that their competitor is Aircon, which is trading at a PE ratio of 9.5 based on a market price of February 28, 2019. The final review. The company is a Mini Ratna consultancy company. Prospects are quite good due to high spending in the railway infrastructure by government. The current PE is 8.6, very reasonably priced offer, and the company top line and bottom line are doing very good. So as per us, this investors with low risk appetite should apply in this IPO. Listing is probability is high due to reasonable valuation and good market conditions. Thank you. So friends, if you like my presentations, you can subscribe to my channel by clicking on the link below the blue colored arrow. Thank you and see you next time.